under the curse. All right, YouTubes. It is a little Saturday morning. I got a Hoshizaki to check out, and then I have a walk-in box. It's kind of a small little walk-in box with a capsule pack unit. He's saying it's, the inspector was saying that it's staying at 50 degrees. So we'll see. I'm gonna bring you guys along for all that. Man, I've been having this stupid ass chest cold for like a week now, maybe longer than a week and a half, 2 weeks. Just hacking up all that fun green yellow shit. This one's just sticking around, man. Holy moly. Yeah, winter, just loving it. But let's get out here on these service calls. I'll bring you guys along and see what we get into. So we're gonna go Hoshizaki and then walk-in cooler. Let's check it out. Let's check this out. Sounds like it's running today. Well, looky there. It fixed itself. It's a miracle. What the heck? Let's see if this tells us a story. Ice cube size. Actually looks really good. Yeah, I got the call yesterday, but I couldn't make it out last night. So I told him I'd come this morning, so. See, the filter's almost a year old. As I could mention, get him a new water filter. And let's see. Yeah, it's pretty clean. I'll get two hands on this so I don't break stuff. Condenser looks clean. There we go. Oh yeah. Clean looking ice machine. Always looking for the water spray. I don't think the water tube's plugged up. Double check here that the I always have to make sure that the ice guide's in correctly. It is. I mean, it's not dirty at all. It's a good looking machine. Get two hands on here. This thing's purring like a kitten. Everything on it looks spectacular. I wonder if maybe the water got shut off and then they reset it, or those are the mysteries, but I'm gonna watch it drop another cycle and come out of defrost before I leave. History's mysteries, man. Sometimes you come out here and it's like that. All right, we are going into harvest. Here we go. Water fill, hot gas. See, we get the shower of victory coming. Look at that. Oh, here we go. That one looked funny. That one looked thin. Oh yeah, something goofy there. Look at that. What the heck is that? Yeah, that ain't gonna do it. Look at that water. That's what it's supposed to look like. So we need to check the water distribution tube. Check the evaporator for separation. Make sure that I don't have a separated evap. That's how it's supposed to defrost. That first little twinkles were weird. So that looks, those parts are, that's all looking good right there. Those first little driblets were looking not good at all. Yeah, that sounds better. Check the water tube. It actually looks really good. Nothing's plugged, super clean. We're gonna take a look up here. What's going on? Let's pull these off. One piecers. Everything up here is super clean. I don't know why we had just a couple. Oh yeah, there it is. Servando. Hey, Servando. Oh, okay, I'm going to show them what's up. We got, that's our problem, evaporator separation. Yeah. Take a look. So, you got the plate, right? The two plates that make the ice, and it's like a sandwich on the pipes. You can pull the here, jump on the ladder. You can pull this apart. The evaporator is separated. I'm gonna have to get you a price for a new coil, dude. Look.
Oh, shit. Yeah.
So we're gonna have to run it how it is, just so you got ice. But that's our problem.
Oh.
Everything is basura.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's why you gotta stick around for the younger mechanics. You gotta stick around. Watch on an ice maker, even if you show up and it's like today, I get there and it's working. Watch it make a batch or two. I'd say 2 batches, and then look for things. You know, like I saw those little cubes, and then it dumped okay. And the thing will make ice and get them by. It's just when I was talking to the chef, he's like, "Hey, it's been inconsistent. Because when it gets busy, you need all your ice production." So he pointed me kind of in the right direction there, and then when I saw those little cubes, I had to check the water distribution tube and the evaporator. Hoshizaki's just got whoever manufactured their coils, you know, in the last few years, it's just gone to poo. And 2024 is going to be the year of the coil for old NorCal Dave. I got condenser coils to replace, VAP coils. Let's go check out this walking box next and see what we get into. All right, so I wrote down my model, my serial number. I just checked the status of warranty on that. So that machine's from 2018. The warranty ran out November 6th of 21. it sat there for 2 years during COVID. That restaurant, they had actually closed that restaurant down completely. So there's no warranty on it. So I have to get a price for a evaporator for a KM660 MAJ. That's where we're at. Let's head out to this walk-in box call, and we'll see how things go over there. I'm gonna call the my contact for this restaurant and let him know what's going on. Okay. All right, the stats saying 34. Let me get my thermometer in the box. Let's see if we can get a real reading. Yeah, it doesn't feel cold in here at all. It's my airflow doing. Let's see. That's my supply, that's my return. So let's see what we got on the return there. It was the probe. The probe was reading off, so I replaced the probe. The unit's working good now. And I think I'm gonna put my set point at 35.9. It's like 36. Should do it.